शिव संस्कार र प्रविधि सहितको व्यवहारिक शिक्षालाई आत्मसात गर्दै बाल शिक्षण सिकाइ क्रियाकलापलाई प्रभावकारी ढङ्गबाट अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ। हाम्रा नानी बाबुहरूले आफूले नबुझेका कुरा बिना हिचकिचाहट सोध्न सक्ने, प्रश्न गर्न सक्ने र आफूले बुझेका, जानेका र सुनेका कुराहरूलाई अरू समक्ष निर्धक्कका साथ अभिव्यक्त गर्न सक्ने, आधार खडा गर्ने गरी अभिव्यक्त गर्न सक्ने सिपलाई चाहिँ हामीले अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ। हौसला, उत्प्रेरणा र जिज्ञासु स्वभावका हाम्रा नानी बाबुहरूलाई यो 21औं शताब्दी सुहाउँदो शिक्षामा कसरी चाहिँ अगाडि बढाउन सकिन्छ भन्ने कुरामा हाम्रो विद्यालयको नेसनल मोडल साइन्स स्कुल द नाम्स विद्यालयको चाहिँ शिक्षण सिकाइ क्रियाकलापहरू अगाडि बढिरहेका छन्।
Principal, vice principal, coordinators, teachers, respected parents, and my lovely friends. It's me, Susmita Shrestha, in front of you to give the presentation on the topic solar system. At first, I would like to introduce my group members: Pravik Gurung, Roshan Garti, Ishan Serai, Subodh Aryal, Prajina Pandey, and Rosina Upreti. So without any delay, let's move forward to our topic, solar system. Solar system is the collection of planets, moons, asteroids, comets, dust and gas that orbit our local star, the sun. Solar system includes planets, 205 satellites according to NASA, asteroids, comets, etc. Sun. Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. The closest star to the Earth, it is the source of heat and light which makes flower bloom, song croon, and sunbathe soon. Life will not exist without it. About 1.3 million of Earth can fit into the sun. It takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for the light leaving the sun to reach the Earth. For furthermore, I would like to call my friend Pravik Guru.
Thank you, Susmita Shrestha. Good afternoon, Honorable Principal Sir, respected Vice Principal Sir, QC8, coordinators, respected parents, and my lovely friends. It's me, Pravik Gurung from Class 9 Nobel, to present our solar system, and my subtopic is planet. Planet is called Graha in Nepali. Planets are the celestial body that rotates or revolve around the sun in their own elliptical orbit. The IAU defines planets as the following. The planet are the celestial bodies that must be rotating around their orbit in their own elliptical axis. The planets are also called the family of the sun because they rotate or revolve around the sun in their own elliptical orbit. The planets have their own sufficient weight or sufficient mass for their self-gravity in their own axis. The planets have cleared their neighborhood around its orbit because if another asteroid or any other planets come between another planet's axis, they would be crashed or they would be destroyed. The Pluto is also called, the Pluto is not counting planet because it doesn't revolve or rotate in its own axis. It comes in others' axis, so it is also called the dwarf planet. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Thank you. Now I like to call my friend Roshan Shrestha.
Thank you, Pravik Gurung. Good afternoon, Honorable Principal Sir, respected Vice Principal Sir, QCs, coordinators, teachers, dear parents, and my lovely friends. It's me, Roshan Garti, from grade 9, in front of you to give a presentation on the topic of solar system. And my subtopic is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet from the solar system. Though it is the smallest planet from the Mercury is the smallest planet from the solar system and it is closest to the sun. Though it is the smallest planet in the solar system and closest to the sun, it is not the hottest because the title of the hottest planet goes to Venus because of its thick atmosphere and CO2 carbon dioxide gas. The revolution time of Mercury is 59 days and the rotation time of Mercury is 88 days. The distance between Sun and Mercury is 58 lakh kilometer and the diameter is 4880 kilometer. Mercury has 0 satellites and it is bigger than the Earth's satellite moon. Thank you. Now I like to hand over this mic to my dear friend Ishan Sedai to further continue the topic of solar system.
Thank you, Roshan Garji. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, QC Head, coordinators, teachers, and lovely parents, and all my dear friends. It's me, Ishan Seda, and my group in front of you to present about the topic solar system, and my subtopic is Venus. Venus is the smallest and the second planet of the solar system, which is named after the Roman name of the goddess of love and beauty. Venus is a completely similar planet and it is also called our sister planet because its shape, size and everything is very similar to the Earth, and but although it is seen similar, but it is not similar on the topic of rotation because every planet rotates on the clockwise direction and Venus rotates on the anti-clockwise direction, and a year in the Venus takes 225 Earth days, and it is the planet in which the rotation is shorter than the revolution is shorter than the rotation, and it is also known as the morning and evening star because it is seen from the Earth's surface at the morning time and evening time. The Russian mission Venera 1 space probe was launched on 1961 but lost contact with the base, and it was an unsuccessful mission. But after that, the Soviet Union Venera 3 was the first man-made craft which landed on the Venus. Thank you. Now I'd like to call my friend Subodh Aryal.
Thank you, Ishan Sedai. Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Subodh Aryal, in front of you to tell on the topic Earth. Our home planet Earth, which is the third nearest planet to the Sun and is the fifth biggest planet in the solar system, has the distance about 1 crore and 5 lakhs between the Sun. It is the fifth biggest planet, as you know, and the diameter is about 12,756 kilometers. It is the only one planet discovered since today which has the existence of life and has water in liquid states. The temperature of the Earth is about 22 degrees Celsius, and the atmosphere contains different types of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and many more gases. It takes about 23 hours and 57 minutes approximately to complete one rotation on its own axis, and it takes about 365 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. It is the only one planet which is not named after the name of a god. Which is not named after a name of a god. In this planet, there is only one satellite. That's name is Moon, and Moon helps this planet, our Earth, for making it tilt so that the temperature may be suitable for us to survive. Our Earth is divided into three major parts. They are crust, mantle, and core. And the core is the innermost part of the Earth and the most hottest part of the Earth. Crust is divided. Crust is also contains two types. They are 70% total area of the crust is covered with water, and the remaining parts is covered by land. And by saying this much, I like to call my friend Prajna Pandey.
Thank you, my friend Subodh Aryal, for calling me. Good afternoon, Honorable MD Sir, Vice Principal, respected teacher, coordinators, parents, and my dear lovely friend. It's me, Prajna Pandey, from class 9. Today, I am here to present on the topic of solar system, and my subtopic is Mars. In Nepali, Mars is called Mangal Graha. Mars is fourth planet from Sun. Mars is also second smallest planet in the solar system. Mars is also known as red planet. Mars is terrestrial planet with thin atmosphere composed primarily in carbon dioxide. Mars and Earth are approximately the same land mass. Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system. Mars has largest dust storm in the solar system. Only 18 missions of the Mars have been successful. Pieces of Mars have been fallen to Earth. The sunset on Mars are blue. Where you catch blue sunset into light and see two moons in night sky, that name is Phomos and Deimos. The diameter of Mars is 6,07,779 kilometer. Its mass is 6.31 into 10 to the power 23 kilogram. The natural satellite of Mars is the distance from Mars to Sun is 22 crore 79 lakh 43,824 kilometer. However, the red planet will challenge among even the hardiest soul among us. I hope one day the Mars will have ring. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over this mic to my friend Pravek Gurung for his presentation on the topic of Jupiter. Thank you.
The Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the fifth farthest planet from the Sun in the solar system. Now let's talk about the interior of Jupiter. The Jupiter's interior is like our Earth's interior. It is made up of rock, metal, and hydrogen compounds. I think you all think that this Jupiter is also a planet like our Earth, but तपाईहरु सबैले सोच्नु भएको छ यो बृहस्पति ग्रह चाहिँ हाम्रो पृथ्वी जस्तै छ, तर यो हैन। यो बृहस्पति ग्रह चाहिँ सबै ग्यासहरू मिलेर बनेको छ र यो खोक्रो छ र यस भित्र चाहिँ हाम्रो पृथ्वी जत्रो नै एउटा ग्रह जस्तो छ जुनले चाहिँ यसलाई धानिरहेको छ र जुपिटर्स मुन गैनीमेड is the largest moon or largest natural satellites of all the planets in the solar system. Till now 8 spacecrafts has already visited Jupiter. Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets in the solar system. The exact time of Jupiter is 9 hours and 55 minutes. The Jupiter has 79 natural satellites. र म तपाईहरुलाई एउटा प्रश्न सोध्न चाहन्छु, के तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ कि यो बृहस्पति ग्रह भित्र कतिवटा पृथ्वी अट्न सक्छ? र यसको उत्तर रहेको छ 318 र now you all people can compare our home planet Earth with this big planet Jupiter. This Jupiter is also called the gas giant because it is a gaseous planet. र तपाईहरुले थाहा छैन होला कि वैज्ञानिकहरूले यसमा नयाँ कुरा निकालेको छन् कि यो बृहस्पति ग्रहमा जस्तै हाम्रो पृथ्वीमा पानी पर्ने गर्दछ र यो बृहस्पति ग्रहमा चाहिँ हीरा पर्ने गरेको छ र यो बृहस्पति ग्रहमा एक वर्षमा 1000 टन हीरा बनाउने क्षमता छ। धन्यवाद। Thank you. Now I like to call Rosina Upreti for further explanation.
Thank you, Pravek. It's me, Rosina Upreti from class 9. Today I am here to present on the topic of Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is a gas giant made up of hydrogen and helium gas. Saturn has the most extensive ring in the solar system. Saturn is the most distant planet that can be seen with naked eye. Saturn volume is 760 times Earth. In Saturn, 20 new satellites were discovered in 2018 AD. Saturn have 82 natural satellites.
Saturn has the most number of natural satellites than any other planet. The diameter of Saturn is 1,20,536 kilometer. The mass of Saturn is 568 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Thank you, and I would like to call Ishan for rest of the presentation.
Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun, which is not visible from our naked eyes, and to see it, it is the telescope. The need of telescope is necessary, and it was the first planet which was discovered by the help of telescope by William Herschel in 1781 AD. The Uranus is also titled as the coldest planet of the solar system, and its temperature reaches the lowest among all the planets, which is minus 224 degrees Celsius. Uranus is covered by two sets of very thin dark layered rings around the planet, and it only one spacecraft, that is Voyager 2 in 1986, so it passed the planet orbit, and the diameter of Uranus planet is 10,823 kilometer, and the distance from the sun from Uranus is 2.8 into 10 to the power 9. Now I would like to call my friend Subodh Aryal for his presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Subodh Aryal, back again to tell on the topic Neptune. Neptune, dark wave planet, and it is the most distant planet from the sun, having the distance about 4 Arab and 48 crore kilometers. It is 30 times distance between the sun and the earth, and it is the fourth biggest planet in the solar system after Uranus. The diameter of the Neptune is about 48,000 kilometers. From this diameter, we can imagine that how much big Neptune is and how much small our planet Earth is. Neptune is also known as the second coldest planet in the solar system because the temperature of the planet Neptune is about minus 220 degrees Celsius, and it is also the distant planet, so the temperature is also in negative. It is the planet which is not visible through naked eyes from our home planet Earth, and it was first predicted by a mathematician that there was a planet called Neptune in 1846 AD. It contains four faint rings. They are not visible in the picture, but it has four faint rings that are around it, and it spins on its axis very rapidly. So the rotation time of the Neptune is also less, about 16 hours, and the revolution time is about 164 years. From this, you can imagine that it takes more than Earth's time to revolve around the sun. के तपाईलाई थाहा छ जस्तै नेप्च्युनले चाहिँ 164 वर्ष लगाउँछ सनको वरिपरि घुम्न भने अहिले हालसाली कहिले नेप्च्युनले घुमेको थियो? नेप्च्युनले चाहिँ 2011 इस्वीसम्म 2011 मा आफ्नो 164 वर्षको यात्रा पुरा गरेको थियो, र अब यो चाहिँ ब्लू प्लानेट छ है। यसमा अब ड्राई आइसहरू हुन्छ। ड्राई आइस भन्नाले जुन चाहिँ धेरै चिसो हुन्छ क्या, चिसो हुन्छ, अनि इट्स एटमोस्फियर कन्टेन्स डिफ्रेन्ट टाइप्स अफ ग्यासेस लाइक हाइड्रोजन, हिलियम एन्ड मोस्टली मिथेन. Methane are one of the most coldest gases present in the earth, and it is present in the planet Neptune. Thank you. Now I'll by saying this much, I would like to call my friend Susmita.
Thank you, Pras. And we are at the end of our presentation. So the sun is the most significant celestial object in our solar system because it provides heat and light energy to the planets that orbit it. Teachers to our star sun in our eyes because since they supply us with the most important thing in our life, and that is information. Earth, for example, uses light energy to create greenery on the globe, and we are the planet who take the knowledge and apply it to us. Satellites are the school administration and the parents that orbit around the planets and protects humanity. सूर्यले विभिन्न ग्रहहरूमा प्रकाश प्रदान गरे चाहिँ शिक्षक शिक्षिकाहरूले हामी विद्यार्थी जीवनमा सूर्यको भूमिका निर्वाह गरेर हाम्रो जीवनमा प्रकाश प्रदान गरी हामीलाई उज्जवल व्यक्ति बनाउन प्रदान गरिदिनुहुन्छ। सूर्यले विभिन्न ग्रहहरूमा उज्यालो छरे झै शिक्षक शिक्षिकाहरूले हाम्रो जीवनमा प्रकाश पारी हामीलाई उज्जवल व्यक्ति बनाएर ठुलो मान्छे बनाउन प्रदान हुन्छ भने there was this one time where we had to write our own plays and presentation and perform it in front of the whole school administration. We felt alive and the creative side of us came out. At last, I would like to thank our school principal, Sir Pradeep Bhusal, sir, although he is absent here. But we are very thankful for him because he has given us the golden opportunity to present our words. I would like to thank our group teacher, Prakash Kafle, sir, for his support to our group. And I would like to thank our school vice principal, sir, teacher coordinators, parents for your valuable time. And I would like to thank my group for also, words can never express our support, patience, encouragement, and kindness. Thank you. I would like to call my group member on the stage.
शिव संस्कार र प्रविधि सहितको व्यवहारिक शिक्षालाई आत्मसात गर्दै बाल शिक्षण सिकाइ क्रियाकलापलाई प्रभावकारी ढङ्गबाट अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ। हाम्रा नानी बाबुहरूले आफूले नबुझेका कुरा बिना हिचकिचाहट सोध्न सक्ने, प्रश्न गर्न सक्ने र आफूले बुझेका, जानेका र सुनेका कुराहरूलाई अरू समक्ष निर्धक्कका साथ अभिव्यक्त गर्न सक्ने, आधार खडा गर्ने गरी अभिव्यक्त गर्न सक्ने सिपलाई चाहिँ हामीले अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ। हौसला, उत्प्रेरणा र जिज्ञासु स्वभावका हाम्रा नानी बाबुहरूलाई यो 21औं शताब्दी सुहाउँदो शिक्षामा कसरी चाहिँ अगाडि बढाउन सकिन्छ भन्ने कुरामा हाम्रो विद्यालयको नेसनल मोडल साइन्स स्कुल द नाम्स विद्यालयको चाहिँ शिक्षण सिकाइ क्रियाकलापहरू अगाडि बढिरहेका छन्।